Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Chicken wing barbecue recipe. I was going to make a two-person wing barbecue at home, and if this food was small, I wanted to shoot a video and share it with you. Marine processing to flour mills, how to grill, and some small details. All materials you will use for the chicken wing barbecue. I use at least 8 chicken wings for one person, only the tips of the chicken wings. A deep mixing vessel and batter will make your job easier. Liquid sunflower oil. Olive oil. Soy sauce. 2 garlic and garlic crusher. Pepper paste. Black pepper mill. Salt. Liquid honey. Rosemary. Red powdered pepper. Cumin. Thyme. Red pepper. Green pepper. Tomato. Potato. I will use flat iron skewers to place chicken wings. Add some olive oil and liquid sunflower oil. Add some soy sauce. Add 1 small spoonful of honey. Help your videos reach more people by showing appreciation. You can make this video popular by liking. Thanks everyone for support. Add 2 crushed garlic. Add bitter pepper paste. Add black pepper. It will be better to use the mill pepper. Add salt. Add spices. Rosemary. Red powdered pepper. Powdered cumin. Dried thyme, red scaly pepper. Thoroughly mix the ingredients you add. Prepare a solid sauce in a non-fluid consistency. Cut chicken wings with a knife so that there will be only one scratch. Cover chicken wings completely with sauce. I am going to a picnic area in the city where I love now to barbecue outdoors. The materials I need here: charcoal, pine cone, cardboard, paper and fine wood pieces. I will pick up the old Asian barbecue and I will knead it in the next stage. I add egg box and AC to burn ingredients. I am adding a chimney on the barbecue. After a little flame, add coal to the chimney so that it burns. I add potatoes and onions to the bottom of the oven. It is cooked for a long time. I prefer to use tin from the flattened bottles because the tinned bottles can always turn without stopping. It is necessary to cook at the lowest temperature while cooking honey chicken wings. I use the ashes I put in my side to lower the temperature of the barbecue. I will add the ashes to the top of the course grains and get a balanced low heat. I cook the bottom part for 5 minutes and the top part for 5 minutes. You can cook green peppers by adding them to the gaps. I have small notches on the sides of the barbecue and I can put it upright when I use flat skewers. I cook it for 1 more minute holding the chicken wings upright. The chicken wings were ready for service. Serve warmly and I prefer salads next to it. Goodbye to see you again in a new recipe.